Yes? Okay, we were just singing good morning song. We were just singing good morning song. Let's all sing it together. Okay? Again, one more time. One, two, three, go. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. And how do you do? One more time. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody, and how do you do? Very good, very good. Good, everybody, very good job. You are listening to me very nicely. So, can you all hear me properly? If you all can hear me properly, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me properly. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yes, very good. Very good. Your tiny thumb. Your tiny thumb, yeah? Okay. So one quick message for the parents. Kindly send all the assignments to me through Google Classroom. Okay? Through Google Classroom. I want all the assignments to be sent in Google Classroom. Okay? Just make sure that from now on you send all the assignments in Google Classroom. Okay? Because it's easier in Google Classroom. It's easier for me to grade all the children. Okay? Kindly send the assignment in Google Classroom. Okay, thank you. So now also there is a quick announcement about a picture collaboration. Okay, parents, we are going to do this picture collaboration. We will soon let you know through WhatsApp. In this, a child is given a specific a particular word, and then you have to write it in a A4 size sheet, and then show it to the camera, and then click a picture. Okay, we will give you a particular word. Just write it down in an A4 size sheet, and then show it on the camera and take a picture of the children. Okay, so it's the sentences would be probably for the corona fight that we are all fighting right now. So it is for the encouragement to our fellow citizens and for our friends and family. Okay, so we are going to do that picture collaboration soon. So kindly do the same. Kindly do whatever it is instructed in the WhatsApp. You will get it soon. Okay. All right. Now let's talk about some wild animals. How many of you have wild animals with yourself at home? Did you guys bring anything? Yes? Anything related to wild animals? No? No? That's okay. That's okay. So, parents, you need to get a book like this from school. We are giving this book. Very good, Shireen. The books are now available at the school. You can just go ahead and get it. Okay. So those who have this books, I want everybody to take this book and take out the page number. Take out the page number 34. Okay. Page number 34. Phonic book and page number 34. So tell me what is this? Tell me what is this, Vivian? Tell me what is this? What is this?
बताओ ये क्या है?
Lion. Lion. Very good. Now tell me what is this?
Tiger.
Tiger. Very good. It's a tiger. And tell me what is this?
No, वहाँ बोलो.
What is this? Elephant. Very good. Now tell me what is this?
बताओ क्या क्या ये देखो आपको बताओ.
Monkey.
Monkey. Very good. Now tell me what is this?
Bear.
Bear.
Bear. Very good. It's a bear. And tell me what is this?
देखो देखो वहाँ देखो जोर से बोलो
Deer. Very good. Very good. Everybody clap for yourself. Very good. Well done. Very good. Okay. ये जितने भी है ये सारे क्या है? Wild animals. These all are wild animals.
कोई नाम नहीं
They are not like our pet animals. Pet animals की तरह नहीं होते हैं. इनको हम प्यार नहीं कर सकते. हम छेड़ नहीं सकते.
मैम क्या कह रही है वो सुनो
Very dangerous. Okay. And they stay in the jungle. Okay. Yes, Shirin, very good. Wow, Shirin has a chart. Has a chart of wild animals. That's good. Yansh has all the toys. And Yatharth has all the toys of wild animals. Very good. Very good. Okay, parents, kindly teach the children about the importance of wild animals and also the names of wild animals. Okay, they need to know the difference between farm animals and wild animals. They need to know that farm animals is not as wild animals and wild animals is as farm animals. Those two are the different animals. Okay, so you need to teach that to the children. Okay, parents, so I have this craft here. Okay, who can tell me what is this? Who can tell me what is this?
बोलो
Aru, बोलिए. Aru, tell me what is this? Very good. Very good, everyone. So, ma'am has made this elephant. Okay, it's very nice and creative. So, all you need is chart paper. You only need chart paper and these googly eyes. And if you don't have googly eyes, you can just make some white. Just give us a cutout of white paper and the black color. You will get the googly eyes. Okay, so kindly make this at home and do it with the children and show me and send me the pictures. Okay, everybody will make an elephant at home. Okay, an elephant at home. Okay, all right, so now we are going to learn a rhyme. Okay, now we are going to learn a rhyme of elephant. Okay, so those who have this book, rhyme book, page number 11. Those who have this rhyme book, kindly take out page number 11. Okay, we are going to learn this rhyme. Okay, this rhyme is very easy. It is, make sure that the children learns this rhyme. Okay. Okay, so
A jolly good ride. An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride.
that's it. That's it. Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple and it's very easy. So you all can learn this and then we can sing it next time. Okay. I want everybody to say it after me. Okay. Can everybody say it after me? An elephant.
बोलो an elephant
Elephant. Parents can also join. Okay. An elephant
बोलो an elephant
is big and fat.
is big and fat
About this way and that.
this way and that
She is her trunk from side to side
बोलो
and gives us all a jolly good ride. Okay?
Jolly.
Sing it
Right, bolo.
again one more.
Jolly good. Right.
Sing it again one more time. Okay?
Gives us all a joyful ride. An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride.
Okay. We'll do it one more time. Do it one more time. Everyone ready?
चलो बोलो.
Let's go.
An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side. Gives us all a jolly good ride.
कहाँ से आ गई?
One more time. Let's do it one more time.
इसका ऊपर तो हाँ इसके ऊपर की कप कहाँ गई? तो कवर होगा ना ये वाली तो बुक है.
Elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from
Side to side and gives us
a
all.
jolly good ride.
Very good. Clap for yourself.
Clapping.
Well done. Clapping, clapping. Very good. Well done, children. You all are so good. You all are so good and so special. Very good. Okay. So now we will sing one Hindi rhyme. Okay, we'll sing one Hindi rhyme. All right. So it is like this. हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले, हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले, मेरे घर पे आओ ना, हलवा पूरी
खाओ ना, मेरे घर भी बोलो हलवा पूरी खाओ ना, आओ बैठो कुर्सी पर, कुर्सी बोले चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर.
Very good. Well done. Very good, everyone. So now let's do some phonics. Okay, let's do some phonics sounds.
phonics करने देखो आदू आप प्यारे बेबी हो ना आरू आप भी पढ़ लो.
How many of you are ready to do some phonics? How many of you are ready to do some? Are you ready? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, let's do some phonics. Okay.
यहाँ देखो.
So,
देखो यहाँ देखो.
E is for elephant. Elephant.
Is for fish.
Fish.
For G is crabs. Crabs is for
Jug. K is for kite. Monkey.
And O is for orange. Orange is for
Parrot.
purple. Q is the king.
R is for
King. R
rabbit.
is for rabbit.
Rabbit.
R, S is for sun. Sun. B, tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin.
W is for watch. Watch. X is for
Watch. X for mystery. Mystery. Y is for yacht. Yacht. G is for zebra. Zebra.
Very good. Good. Okay. Okay, to kindly teach children about the phonic sound. Okay, just the alphabet is just the alphabet is not enough. You also need to tell them the phonic sound. Okay, it's like this: a. Okay, can you all see it's printed there? But then you all need to tell them the phonic sound: b, b, c, k. Okay, so maybe you can do like this, huh? D, D, E, E. Oh, F. In your, it is G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, P,
Q,
R,
S,
T,
T,
U, E,
V,
Y,
X, Z,
very good. Clap your hands. Very good. Okay, everybody open, shut them, open, shut them,
Shut.
open, shut them,
Shut.
open,
Shut.
open.
Open.
Like, give a little clap. Give a little clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap.
Karo?
Clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Loudly, loudly, loudly,
Loudly. Slowly. Loudly. Slowly.
Good. Okay. So now, parents, just remember that circle time. Every day you need to teach children about alphabets and their sound. Okay, make sure that every day it goes into their ear, and they are singing it, saying it together. Okay, make sure that in your circle time they are saying alphabets and their phonic sound. Okay, kindly make sure to do it every day. Okay, so now let's do some counting. All right, let's all do some counting. Okay, let's sing this song. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, Buckle my
Three.
shoe. 4. Shut the door. 5, 6. Pick up the 6, 7, 8.
Because
Lead them straight on. Jump a big fat man. Okay, let's do it one more time. One more time. 1, 2. Buckle my
buckle my shoe.
4.
Aru
Shut the door. 5, 6. Pick up the 6, 7, 8. Lay them straight on. Jump big fat man.
कैसे कहते बिग सर्जन? बिग सर्जन.
Very good. Well done. Very good. Okay. So now what we're going to do is that
Class.
this, like last time I told you to make a blank notebook. Make a blank notebook for children. Okay. I want you all to make a blank notebook like this. A blank notebook. Okay. For children. Notebook. I have this skill here, so you can make blank notebook, any blank notebook at home, and then on the first page, I want you to write date, classwork, okay, date, classwork, and then the first work I want you to do is freehand scribble with red color. Freehand scribble with red color. Give your children a red crayon and they will do anything they like. Don't teach them anything. Let them do whatever they want. Let them do whatever they want with red color. Okay. Just make sure date, classwork, freehand scribble with red color. Okay. And let them do anything they want. Then later on, when they will come back to school, I will check the notebook. Okay, I will check the notebook. Make sure it is also clean. Okay, and always leave this side. Let it be plain. When you turn the page, leave this part blank and this side. Okay, this side again. Put and again freehand scribble with green color. Freehand scribble with green color. Okay, 2 primary colors, one red and one green. Let them scribble anything that they want here, but with green color. Okay, like that they will understand the gripping of the crayon. Okay, like that they will understand the color of the crayon. They will understand about the color. Okay, and like that their motor skill will also fine motor skill will also develop. Okay, so parents, these two work for you to make your children do at home. Prepare a blank notebook to work. I'll see it on Tuesday. Okay, I'll see it on Tuesday. And then two primary colors and scribble red and green. Okay, red and green. All right, so that's how we are going to do classwork now at home. Okay, since we are not and we don't have that facility of teaching, start making children okay, learn at home like school. Okay? Now talking again about teacher collaboration. Kindly do that on A4 size sheet or any plain sheet. Okay, and then anything, however you want. You will be given a word. We will give you a word or two. So however you want to write it, just write it. You can make it decorative, you can make it, classy or girly, or however you want. Just write it down on the paper, and then make sure that the children face is coming, and that the picture is coming clearly on the picture like this. Take and send it back to us. Okay, send it back to us through WhatsApp. If you have children wear school uniform, otherwise it's okay. Okay, otherwise it's okay. If you have the school uniform, let them wear the school uniform. Okay. So this is Chopra here. Hello, ma'am. Okay, so let me just tell every one of you that if you could kindly send the assignment in Google Classroom, please send the assignment in Google Classroom. It is easier for me as well as our coordinators to keep the track of the homework. Okay, if there is uh, if there is that you want to convey like a normal videos that you want to show, like for example today Manvik, I received the video of Manvik recognizing the fruits, names of the fruits, and that was very impressive. And like that, if you want to send casual videos, you can send it through WhatsApp. Okay, but all the assignments kindly send it through Google Classroom. Okay, kindly send it through Google Classroom. Score you in there, and those who have not sent, you can resend it, and I'll update the score again. Okay, I'll update the score, and then I will return you back again. Okay, so one more time, since Manvik's mother was not here, I would like to tell her that to make a blank notebook, set a blank notebook for your child, and the first two work that I want you to do is make date, classwork, and freehand red. Okay, date. Don't forget to mention the date and the date he joined the class. Freehand with red color, and let him do whatever he wants with the red crayon here. Do not teach them anything. Let them do any creative thing that they want on this blank page. Okay. So I want you to do the red color, primary two colors, and green color. Two works, red color and green color. Okay. So like that, they will recognize the color's name, and also they will develop their fine motor skills. Okay, and one more thing, we are doing this picture collaboration for coronavirus fight. Okay, and all the children, and we are going to give a word or two to all the children through WhatsApp. Okay, we are going to give you a word or two through WhatsApp. All you need to do is write them on the A4 size sheet. Write them on the sheet. However you want, you can just write it down like you can use your own creativity. If you want it to be girly, if you want it to be classy, however you want, and then let the child hold that word, and then take a picture of child, proper picture of child, and that A4 size sheet. Okay, we will give you a instruction in the WhatsApp, through WhatsApp. We are doing this picture collaboration so that we can encourage our fellow citizens and our family and relatives and everybody. Okay, so it's just a new thing that we are doing from skill. So kindly everybody cooperate, and then if you have skill, if the children have skilled uniform, they can wear it. Otherwise it is okay, they can give it in casual as well. Okay. Okay, I think that's it for today. One again, I would like to remind you that kindly send the kindly teach the word, the magical word. Thank you. Okay, everybody use the magical word. Thank you. Everybody use the magical word. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, daddy. Okay, use the word thank you. Everybody say to mommy. Thank you, mommy. Say to your mommy. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy.
Mommy.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you, children. So much for coming. Thank you, all parents. Thank you for coming. I will see you on Tuesday now. Okay. I am very, very glad. I am very, very happy for all the effort that you are putting, especially the pepper soap experiment. I am very impressed by it. Shireen and Manvi, good job. And then Yatharth also, if you could please, let him do all those experiments at home. And then all the children, those who have done the experiment and all the tasks, absolutely amazing job, and keep on doing it. Thank you so much. Thank you, parents. Thank you, children. Bye bye. Bye. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, Scott.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Mom. Bye. Mom.
Thank you.